Aloha and welcome back to my channel, Tech Tutorials for Real Estate. Here is today's tip or trick. Okay, let's get started on an Adobe tutorial. I have 10 pages or 10 documents that I would like to merge together. And all I'm going to do is hit Shift and click to select them all. Then I'm going to right click, show more options, and combine them in Acrobat. It's going to bring up this screen, but let's say I want page 10 at the beginning and page 3 near the end. I can wiggle them around that way. And then I click Combine. And now we have these documents. I'm going to use my page down feature. Now we have these documents all in one PDF. Now here's something additional you can do. I'm going to hit page up so I go to the top. I decided, no, I don't actually want 10 at the beginning after all. So I'm going to go over here to this pile of paper icon and click on it. And I'm going to grab the top one, page 10. I'm going to grab page 10 and I'm going to drag it down so that it's at the end. And also, I don't like page 3 down here anymore. So I'm going to grab this and move it back up. And now you can see as I page down, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go all the way back up to the top. Now I'm thinking, well, I really only want 9 pages in this. So I'm going to click on that paper thing again. I'm going to scroll down to page 10 and I'm going to click on the trash can. And then I'm going to click OK that I'm sure I want to delete it. But now I'm reviewing the document and I really did want that page 10 after all. So I'm going to click on page 9. I'm going to right click and insert a page from a file. And I'm going to put page 10 back in by clicking on page 10 and open. And it's going to ask me, do I want it after or before the location I'm in? But I want it first. Oops. So before. I want it first in this document. So I'm going to click on first and look at that. Page 10 is at the top again. So that is how you combine pages and arrange pages in Adobe. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell.